Now our topic is gravitation. So simply, first example of this gravitation that we are taking, that whenever we tied some stone with a string and we form circular motion because of that string, so that stone is just joined with that string. We call it as, if that motion which is circular, so we call it that string. So the force which is exerted towards in this direction and this direction, both direction we are having some force. So because of this force, that stone is moving particularly in circular motion with some average radius value. So this motion having same radius value all over the circle. So see, one force which is towards the center, it is called centripetal force. So it towards center, and the one force which is away from the center because of the tension, here we are having the tension force, we call it as centrifugal force also, away from center. We are having both type of forces. Now if this stone is free from this string, what happens? That stone is just throw far away from this circle. So why that stone is moving away from that circle? Because of the centrifugal force. Now there is no centripetal force. Centripetal force is only due to that string. That's why it is joined with that string and rotating. But if we remove that centripetal force, we are having only centrifugal force which is away from the center. Similar things happens when we place some object on the fan and we keep fan on, that object will be thrown away from that fan wings, right? So that is because of centrifugal force. No centripetal force is exerting on that object. That's why only this force, and because of this force, that object will be thrown away from that fan. Similar things happens for gravitation. Earth is rotating around the sun. Why? Because sun attracts the earth towards itself. But because of that motion, we are having centrifugal force also. So that's why earth is not attracting, it is not in motion toward the sun, it is rotating around the sun. And because of that rotation, that reason of that rotation is called gravitation. Sun exert gravitational force towards the all planets, towards all 8 planets. Similarly, moon is rotating around the earth. So earth provides gravitational force towards the moon. So that's why moon is rotating. Otherwise what happens? Moon will be away from the earth if no gravitational force will be there, right? So these all are things because of gravitation. All the object on the earth in the effect of gravity, that's why all the object will remain on the surface of the earth, otherwise it will flying all over the surface or above the surface. So that is the meaning of gravitation.